Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 17 of HackerRank SQL Challenge, that is Weather Observation Station 12. So query the list of city names from station that do not start with vowels and do not end with vowels. Your result can't contain duplicates. So here we will write select select distinct city from station where the first character of city this do not start with vowels and do not end with vowels. Not in. Again, control, I am copying it from this. Control C, control V, and I am writing and because we want to true all these both conditions that do not stand with vowel or do not end with vowels. And here I will write the last character which is right of CT1 not in the vowels. So control C, control V. So in the in function, I have written this. Now let's try to run the code. And here we can see that our answer is right and we can click on this submit code button. Thank you for watching this video.